Hello YouTube, how's it going? I wanted to make a video on the comparison between the Go XLR and the Blue Yeti microphone because, as you know, I bought this beautiful microphone as an upgrade to the Blue Yeti and it's lovely. I've been really enjoying it. So I thought we could make a comparison, see if we can hear the differences between these two. There's something I've kind of found out with this mic, or it's not this microphone per se, it's more the Focusrite Solo, which we will go into more detail later on. But if you could give us a thumbs up to help support the video, so like down below and subscribe if you would like to see more videos, that'd be great. I'm going to basically say a phrase on both microphones and then we can see if we can hear a difference. I will also use the air filter that's on the Focusrite Solo, see if there's a difference there. And you can also test out the broadcaster, because I really like the broadcaster blue voice on the Yeti Nano. So we'll add that as well, and then you can see the differences and make your own comparisons. And then you can buy whichever microphone you prefer. Also, affiliate links are down below. There's no sponsors in this video, just affiliate links down below if you want to click them and take a look. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so hopefully you heard a difference in the microphone comparisons. Definitely try to use some headphones to have a better listen, because you'll be able to hear like subtle differences between them. Personally, I really like the sound of this Go XLR. The issue I have at the moment is with the Focusrite Solo. It records in mono, which basically means when I go to edit my videos, all the audio is on one channel, which is the left speaker. So I basically have to go in, edit some settings to make sure the audio comes out of both speakers, which isn't a huge issue, but you know, it's fine. Whereas the Focusrite 2i2 is a stereo box, so I'm sure that would record perfectly fine on both speakers. But that is just something to think of if you're looking to buy the Focusrite Solo instead of the 2i2. You could also go for the Go XLR mixer, which is a very good mixer for streaming and making videos. I've heard it's a superb mixer to use. It's got great reviews, and pretty much any YouTuber or streamer and probably podcaster as well use it, because it's such a great device to use. Hey, it's future Michael here, editing the current video, and I've actually found out there is a way to fix the one side speaker issue. Basically, you need to go to the Focusrite website, download the drivers for the Solo. Once you've done that, you can change the settings in Windows to mono rather than stereo, because when it's stereo it just puts it on one side, which is the left channel. So you'll only ever hear it outside of the left speaker or left headphone, whereas you can, once you put it in mono, it spreads the mono sound to both speakers or both cups in your headphone, and that's pretty much how you fix it. There's no need to sort of edit anything in post editing, post processing, anything like that, which is just, you know, one less thing to do basically, and it improves the editing process. And yeah, so that's just one little bit that you can do on the Focusrite to make everything better. So basically just working out little tidbits to make videos, to improve videos as you go along. I'm also trying to be a bit further away from the microphone, because I've noticed there's some slightly harsh explosives as I'm closer to the microphone. So the pop filter, while it's very good at what it does, it's not the best pop filter. So there is that as well. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Keep on watching. And that's pretty much my thoughts. So let me know in the comments what you think, what's your opinions, because it'd be great to hear them. And again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps push it through to a new audience. And please subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future, because next one I'll be talking about how I actually record my videos. So I think that's quite interesting. And I'll also be attempting to use the Focusrite on my iPad, because it does work on that. So that's another one we could go to. And then in the future, we'll be moving house soon. I've probably said it before, we're moving house. That's why there's boxes in the background. So there'll be a few of them in the future as well. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon.